Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best toilet safety rails that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RMS Toilet Safety Frame. The RMS Toilet Safety Frame is an exceptional product that offers a reliable and convenient solution for individuals with limited mobility. This portable toilet safety frame provides support and stability, making it an essential daily living aid. Assembling this frame is hassle-free as it requires no additional steps. You can start using it right away. One of the standout features of this safety frame is its versatility. It fits around most toilet seats, with the back bar positioned in front of the toilet tank. The adjustable height, ranging from 28 to 36 inches from the floor to the top of the armrest, allows for customization to meet individual needs. The armrests are designed with durable foam that can endure repeated usage and support heavy weight capacity. Additionally, the soft and comfortable grip of the armrests ensures ease when sitting down or standing up. The frame's sturdy construction and a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds provide peace of mind and confidence for users. Convenience is further enhanced by the foldable design of the RMS Toilet Safety Frame. When not in use, it can be effortlessly folded, allowing for easy storage or travel. Its compact size makes it convenient to tuck away discreetly until it is needed again. This portability ensures that users can maintain their independence and mobility even while away from home. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Lumix Versaframe Toilet Safety Rail. The Lumix Versaframe Toilet Safety Rail is an excellent product that combines comfort and reliability to enhance bathroom safety. Designed with contoured waterfall armrests, this safety rail not only provides a secure grip but also adds a touch of comfort during use. Its lightweight and sturdy frame make it a practical choice for individuals with mobility limitations. One of the standout features of the Versaframe is its tool-free assembly. Attaching it to the toilet is a breeze, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. The adjustable arm height, ranging from 28 to 32 inches, and the width, adjustable from 18 to 21 inches, allow for customization to suit individual needs. This versatility ensures a comfortable and secure fit for a wide range of users. Safety is a top priority with the Lumex Versaframe. It offers additional support and stability, providing peace of mind for individuals with limited mobility. The lightweight yet durable anodized aluminum frame can support up to 250 pounds of evenly distributed weight, ensuring reliable performance over time. At number 3, we have the North American Health and Wellness. The North American Health and Wellness Toilet Safety Support is an exceptional product that offers reliable assistance and promotes independence for individuals in need. This sturdy support system is specifically designed to provide extra support and stability while sitting and standing, ensuring a safer and more comfortable experience. The toilet safety support features sturdy arms with foam handles, offering optimal grip and support. Whether you have limited mobility or simply desire extra assistance, this product delivers the necessary aid to navigate the bathroom with confidence. The foam handles provide a comfortable grip, further enhancing the overall user experience. Sturdiness is a key feature of the North American Health and Wellness Toilet Safety Support. Equipped with non-slip padding, this support system effectively prevents skidding and ensures a secure fit. With a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, it offers reliable stability for a wide range of users, providing peace of mind and reassurance. Ideal for seniors and individuals with limited mobility, this safety support system offers an additional layer of safety, promoting independence and confidence. Its thoughtful design considers the unique needs of users, making it a valuable aid in daily living. The inclusion of a magazine holder adds convenience, allowing users to have reading materials within reach for added comfort during bathroom breaks. The North American Health and Wellness Toilet Safety Support is designed to fit around most standard toilets, ensuring broad compatibility. Please refer to the provided dimensions in the last image to confirm its suitability for your toilet. This versatility makes it accessible to a wide range of users, further solidifying its value and practicality. At number 2, we have the Healthline Trading Handrail Grab Bar Toilet Safety Frame. The Healthline Trading Handrail Grab Bar Toilet Safety Frame is an exceptional product that prioritizes safety, convenience, and comfort in the bathroom. Effortlessly attachable without the need for complex tools or modifications, this safety frame is designed to securely fit standard toilets using powder-coated aluminum brackets. One of the standout features of this safety frame is its adjustable frames. The toilet frame brackets can be easily adjusted from 18 to 24 inches, catering to various toilet sizes and personal preferences. This adaptability ensures a comfortable and secure fit for a wide range of users, enhancing their overall bathroom experience. Safety is paramount with the Healthline Trading Handrail Grab Bar Toilet Safety Frame. It provides essential support to individuals while sitting down or getting up from the toilet, reducing the risk of falls and accidents. The sturdy construction instills confidence and peace of mind, making it an excellent choice for individuals with limited mobility or those seeking added stability. Crafted with high-quality materials, this toilet safety frame is made of anodized aluminum, offering both durability and lightweight functionality. Its reliable performance withstands regular use, providing long-lasting support and convenience. The thoughtful design of the Healthline Trading Handrail Grab Bar Toilet Safety Frame further elevates its appeal. Ergonomic handles ensure a secure grip, promoting safety and confidence during use. Padded armrests add an extra layer of comfort, allowing users to sit or stand with ease. Additionally, the sleek design seamlessly integrates into any bathroom decor, ensuring it complements the existing aesthetics of your space. And finally at number 1, we have the Moen DN7015 Toilet Home Care Safety Rails. The Moen DN7015 Toilet Home Care Safety Rails are a reliable and essential addition to any bathroom, offering the necessary support when you need it most. With a strong focus on safety, this toilet safety bar provides a supportive design that can accommodate up to 250 pounds, ensuring stability and peace of mind for users. A standout feature of the Moen DN7015 safety rails is their ability to coordinate seamlessly with other Moen bathroom accessories. This cohesive design allows for a harmonious and unified look in your bathroom, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. Hassle-free installation is another advantage of the Moen DN7015 safety rails. Designed with convenience in mind, they can be easily installed without any complications or unnecessary challenges. This user-friendly feature ensures a smooth and efficient setup process, saving you time and effort. The Moen DN7015 safety rails are built to last, backed by Moen's limited warranty. With their durable construction, you can trust in their long-lasting performance and reliability. These safety rails are crafted to withstand regular use and provide consistent support, ensuring their value for years to come. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.